In the late Qing Dynasty, the writer Liu E described Jinan in his novel The Travels of Lao Ts'an as follows: "Springs in every home, weeping willows by every door," which I find more interesting than the Jiangnan region. Gao Sheng Dian is a place where Liu E stayed when he visited Jinan. Inside Gao Sheng Dian, there's a cultural exhibition center of The Travels of Lao Ts'an, which displays various editions of the novel and related cultural relics, including calligraphy works, memorial copies, and photographs by Liu E. These exhibits not only showcase Liu E's talent and achievements, but also allow people to deeply feel the profound connection between the Travels of Lao Ts'an and Jinan. Today, Gao Sheng Dian has become a comprehensive venue integrating cultural exhibitions, tourism, and academic research, attracting countless tourists and scholars to visit. There are already dozens of foreign translations of The Travels of Lao Ts'an, and it has been recognized by UNESCO as a world literary masterpiece, referred to as another superior cultural novel following A Dream of Red Mansions. The classic phrase, "Springs in every home, weeping willows by every door," which depicts the beautiful scenery of Jinan in The Travels of Lao Ts'an, has also become Jinan's best city slogan. This novel has not only won widespread acclaim for its unique artistic charm and profound spirit of social criticism, but has also promoted Jinan to the world, attracting countless domestic and international tourists to visit. Through this novel, people can glimpse the urban customs, folk culture, and scenic spots of Jinan in the late Qing Dynasty, feel the unique charm of the city. In recent years, with the rapid development of the culture and tourism industry, Jinan has actively explored and utilized cultural resources such as former residences of celebrities and historical sites to create in-depth tourist spaces and attract a younger demographic. Gao Sheng Dian, as an important location in the Travels of Lao Ts'an, naturally has become a new paradigm of culture and tourism integration. This has not only attracted a large number of young people to come and take photos, but also become a new place for them to savor Jinan's culture and feel the charm of the old city.